Hi everyone, this is Max from National Powersports. This 2017 Aprilia TUONO V4 1100RR factory with only 8,435 miles runs and rides well. It's been upgraded with a Works USA slip-on muffler, bar end mirrors, front axle sliders, CRG levers, stomp grip tank pads, a driven racing halo fuel cap, aftermarket front turn signals, frame sliders, Moto adjustable rear sets, aftermarket rear turn signals, and a rear fender eliminator kit. From the factory, it comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, and an onboard computer. The TUONO is powered by a 1077cc V4 engine with a 6-speed transmission, producing 175 horsepower at 11,000 RPM and 89 foot-pounds of torque at 9,000 RPM. Backing all of this power are responsive brakes and razor-sharp handling. This bike is equally at home on the street or the track and weighs in at 405 pounds with a seat height of 32.5 inches. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, this bike will need DOT-approved rear turn signals, a visible plate mounting bracket with a functioning light, a non-flashing brake light, and an exhaust that falls within New Hampshire State decibel limits. This opportunity vehicle is being sold as is. We encourage you to see and hear the bike in person. If you are unable to, we will be happy to do a live inspection via Skype or FaceTime. Please give us a call for more information. We have also purchased a CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.